My project is about my community. And my community is Waukegan, Illinois, located in Lake County. This Waukegan is one of the most populous communities in Illinois, and it is the county seat of Lake County, Illinois. It's a very industrial suburb of Chicago, and it's approximately about 26 miles north of Chicago along the shores of Lake Michigan. As of the 2020 census, the population was about 89,000, ranking it about seventh in Illinois. It is a very diverse community. We have people from various nationalities located here in Illinois. What is a community plan? It involves the formulation of a long range vision, goals, policies, and strategies to achieve the following: social, economic, and environmental sustainability. This is often within a community setup. It's meant to guide the community into future developments. This presentation focuses on Waukegan, Illinois, and the Greater Lake County Community Plan. This plan will concern one of Waukegan's daycare. One of the interesting things regarding the survey is that the surroundings of Waukegan have more to do than the city itself. The city is considered large, but at the same time it's small. There are several elementary schools and junior high schools, and there's one high school. The diversity of cultures benefit everyone willing to draw relevance from its diversity. The community assessment data generation revealed details concerning the people, the city's socioeconomic condition, the health care of Waukegan. The assessment provided a true insight into Waukegan community, the occupants' expectations, opinions of their locality, and uncertainties about Waukegan. The role of data generated, ensuring that the final project seeks to capitalize on the uncertainties and expectations of the people within Waukegan. Data shows that the city is home to a population that is termed middle class. The focus of the project will be to educate Waukegan parents on the available resources to improve the health related outcomes for their children. Success of this project is pegged on the choice of resources and community partners. The importance of two aspects: preparation of the educational material, dissemination of the information concerning the initiative across the community, ensuring that health resources are available to the children of Lake County, employing the use of strategic partnership as an appropriate community resource to drive the project's success. Our partners on board were selected for several reasons: their proximity to the community, the type of resources they offer, and of course, availability. To develop community health diagnosis. Results of the diagnosis exercise. There are health risks that face this community. These include intense knowledge inadequacies of the available community resources. I will work with community clients who enroll their children in preschool in the local daycare in Waukegan. The relevation of the diagnosis. Some parents had no idea of the available resources within the community. Many parents lack information about their children's health resources. Community diagnosis continued. The research indicates that this may be attributed to the knowledge gap that's associated with literacy levels and low income of parents and caregivers, the inadequacy of community resources and services, and the knowledge deficit among Waukegan. The low income families are our main problem. The diagnosis related to Waukegan's lack of promotion and advertisement of community resources. We're going to devise a community health plan. Proper implementation of these objectives and goals. These include the short-term goals of this project, ensuring that by the end of the resource fair, the majority of parents will have an idea of the services available for their children at the local daycare. Ensuring parents are able to decipher between health care facility and daycare by the time the fair is near completion. This can be achieved if parents know that daycare is meant for nursing their young ones as they attend to their duties and professional obligations. Interventions for a community health plan. Parents are definitely a key player in this project as their positive response is necessary to meet the expected results. The use of planned educational resource fair. This resource fair will be educative at first since it will be the main aspect of the project. Use of the identified community partners who will be available for providing education to the parents. Use of printed educated brochures. Brochures will be distributed before the fair for the community members. This will also enable them to go through prior to the main activity at the daycare. Interventions for community health plan. Other interventions include epidemiology and surveillance. This focuses on the causes and distribution of health-related issues. Its main reason is to counter the spread of some health disorders and infections. Health reaching, social marketing, and policy development. Evaluation methods for the community health plan. Checking of short-term goals are met. Checking the long-term goals are close to being met. For instance, the evaluation of whether parents have developed a better understanding. Anonymous questions of whether they were able per the idea of the daycare. Questionnaires can also be used to perform evaluation. This will provide some reasoning by the parents about daycare after the training session. Evaluation method continued. Checking long-term goals again. This can be achieved by ensuring that the population of registered children in the available daycare facilities in Waukegan increased by 25%. Requires much more. Consulting with partner agencies and analyzing their records regarding new admissions. Combining the new admissions and computing the gross rate based on initial daycare admissions. In summary, the negative feedback from the evaluation can be countered through several changes. Some of these changes are tailored to the initiatives that could reignite the success pattern of the project. First change is ensuring a common understanding of what I prefer as the project's main goal. It's relevant to remind the partner agencies of their important roles. This will ensure that they avail all the resources within their facilities for the community members to utilize. In summary, the problem of knowledge on the availability of facilities and resources in Waukegan deserves immediate attention. I settled on this project with a nurse to ensure that children are safely handled. This is due to the failure of partners and daycare owners. The two have failed to provide advertisement and promote community services. The project provides solution to this challenge. This is by bringing on board all relevant stakeholders for proper promotion and advertisements of the available resources. Conclusion. The project aims at improving the lives of daycare children in Waukegan. This is because the city is endowed with immense resources. This includes various health facilities, homeless shelters, the Waukegan Township community, etc. It remains the individual responsibility of all parents and community members to embrace the project's positivity.